Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable auto flash fill in Microsoft Excel. Before starting, work is my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our data and then you see text and number. So we are going to separate it using flash fill. So if you want, you can enable auto flash fill. Now you see flash fill button. Go to file. So click on it and then you see option. So again click on it. So we are in general setting and then you see advanced. So click on it. Now you see enable autocomplete for cell values. Enable this option and then you see auto flash fill. Also enable this value and then click on OK. Now we are going to add some text like ABC we added. Now go to next cell. Now add M. Now you see KIHAS, you see auto because we enable flash fill auto. Now press enter. Now you see auto fill. Now same with number 1, 2, 3. Now write another number 1. Now you see auto fill enable. Press enter. Or if you want, you can enable or disable flash fill. So it's up to you. If you disable flash fill, then you can click on this flash fill. So we are in data. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.